Hi lovelies, welcome back to another review. It's Thursday. Eh, eh. Yes, I know. We have not had one of these in a really long time, but today I'm glad to share with you this gorgeous LED UV nail lamp by the Madam Glam company, and this is their Holi. It's spelled HOLI nail lamp, and this one is in the model DR-1051. It also comes in the pearl white color, and it's available in three other colors, which is red, black, or pink. So I'm going to open this up in a minute, but before I do that, I want to share with you guys a 360 of the box. And if you guys see it necessary or any information jumps out at you, definitely go ahead and pause this video, collect whatever information you need to collect, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this baby up. Okay, so that was it for the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so first thing I noticed is that this got squashed, but that's fine. Hopefully the light is in perfect order. So we have our user manual. Of course, you want to take a minute and just run through this because each LED light may appear to be the same thing, but each user manual is going to give you different specifics on that particular light that you have. So you definitely just want to run through it really briefly, even though it can just be like a plug and play, but you just want to make sure that you have the correct settings for anything that you need to cure. Oopsie. Next we have our power cord, and it is a US plug. This is the light itself. How gorgeous is this? I love this design right here. Like, it just screams to my soul, man. So it is opened at the bottom, and we'll get into all that information in a minute. I just want to do the unboxing real quick. And lastly, in the box we have the base. So this is the tray that you're going to rest your hand on in order to cure inside of the light. And it does have grooves on the side of it, and just a little bit of information that is already on the box at the bottom. So this is going to be the part that is going to be facing your desk, and this is what is going to be facing inside of the light. So this is everything outside of the box. Again, let's recap. You have your main unit, the base, your user manual, and power cord. That's all that comes inside of it. Now this Holi light is actually dual function, so you do get to cure both LED and UV gels. It is a professional 48-watt lamp, and this is newly introduced on the Madam Glam's website. I'm not sure how long it has been available, but I know they told me it is a new introduction. So this is what the inside and underneath of your light looks like. You guys know I like to show you it upside down so you get a feel of it. So you have lights around the perimeter and overhead. It does sit on 4 legs, which have the slip proof rubbers, and you do have some ventilation holes, which just helps the light from overheating. Now once you put your hand in and you turn it on, you're not going to feel a fan or anything like that, but you do have your infrared sensors as well on the inside, which is a little way further back than what I'm accustomed to. I usually have my sensors in my lights a little further forward, but that's fine. This light is really nice and deep, so it caters for long nails, and it's very spacious on the inside, and it is targeting the nails at every single point possible. And this light does have 30 UV LED bulbs on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my base really quickly, and I want to see how sturdy the base attaches, and I hope it's not flimsy. But you do have some really nice ridges around the perimeter of the base, so I hope when it snaps into place, no matter how much I shake it, it is going to stay like that, and it's not going to be moving up and down or back and forth. So I'm just going to line it up and snap it in. And I do have to apply some sort of pressure to get that in there. And as you guys can see, I am wiggling it, I'm jiggling it, and it's not moving. I do have to put force on it in order to pull it all the way out and snap it back in. So this is how wide the inside is. I know you can't really tell because I'm wearing black gloves, but it's really spacious. And you do get your 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and your 90 seconds low heat mode. Now between your timer settings and the Madam Glam logo, you do have your digital display, and you guys are going to see it when I go ahead and plug this in. And you also have some of those vent holes on top. This is where your adapter is going to be plugged in. So I'm just giving you guys a look all the way around. Now on the Madam Glam website, I do think I've seen 2 different types of this design. However, I've not seen any solid colors of this particular light. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is a really long cord, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Now on the website as well, you do get an option whether you want it to be UK or US, so be careful when you're ordering. Make sure to read the product description, especially to make sure that you're getting the right plug for your country. So let's plug this baby in. And as you guys can see, it automatically sets at 15 seconds. So these are not buttons, these are actually like touch pads. I would say like a touch screen on your phone. So you want to be very careful. I had some issues pressing it with my gloves on, so that's something to note. But as soon as you insert your hand into the light, it does start counting down. It does not hold the time from where the light has stopped when you remove your hand in. But for me, that's fine, because hardly likely I ever stop my clients' hands while they're curing and expect them to continue where the light stops anyway. I always start it over. I know it's just a habit of mine. So I went ahead and I applied it at 30 seconds, and again it starts counting down once you insert your hand, or you can go ahead and press that button and it is going to come on. So you can manually control it, or you can control it with the infrared sensors. And it's going to be the exact same way if you set your lamp for 60 seconds. Now in order to set your timer in which you are comfortable with working with, or according to the instructions on the gel that you're using, you just want to go ahead and press the button, and that's it. The light is going to stay at that timer setting until you're ready to switch it, or until the light actually detects that it's not in use. Then it is automatically going to shut down until something or someone inserts their hand into the light, or you go ahead and press that button again for that 90-second low heat mode. Now this is designed to cure builder gels, sculpting gels, any gel that might be able to give you a possible heat spike. This is what this setting is mostly used for. So when you insert your hand into the light, it is going to gradually increase in heat to prevent that burning sensation. Now, one thing I do want to mention about this particular light is that it does give you 50,000 continuous hours non-stop. So with continuous use, like every single day in a salon, whole day, every day, is going to last you up to 5 years. Now the thing with this light is, if you're using it like that and the light detects that it is overheating, it is automatically going to go into low heat mode until that temperature cools, and then you can go back to using it at your regular 15, 30 or 60-second modes. So that is something I find really unique. Now, I don't use my lights like that because I take up to probably 45 clients a day, so I don't use my lights like, you know, constantly, continuously, so it is going to last me a really, really long time. But I just want to mention that to you guys. And another thing that I've noticed while using this light is that there is a safe mode on it. So if I have it plugged in and I'm waiting on a client and I do my prep, my application and all that, and the light is not in use for a while, I can't say exactly how long, it is going to shut itself down. So there's not going to be any display on the screen or anything like that until my client inserts her hand into the light, or I go ahead and press one of those preset timer buttons. For me, cleaning and sanitizing of my nail equipment is very important, and I always watch nail reviews with lights and stuff like that and always wonder, why don't you guys show cleaning it so I can tell if it's alcohol resistant or acetone resistant? So I'm going to show you guys here, and I'm so scared. So I have my 99% alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to gently take one corner of that design and I'm going to wipe it with the alcohol. Guys, oh my god, I am so scared to do this right now. Okay, so we good. It didn't do anything to it, so you can go ahead and wipe the outside of the lights with alcohol. And I'm going to remove my tray right now and I'm going to clean it to see if it's going to do anything to the material on the inside. And we are safe. So you can sanitize your light, you can wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and it's not going to affect it. Obviously you can't wipe it too often, especially on that design part, but definitely on that tray. Now this is going to give me a heart attack, but I'm going to try to see if the inside of the tray is acetone resistant. Oh my gosh. Oh. So I'm putting it on my lint-free wipe again, and I'm just going to touch. Okay, so no, it's not. It's definitely not acetone resistant. You guys see that white line right there? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm not even going to try to wipe the outside of the light because I know it's not going to work. So definitely stick to alcohol. I'm doing this so you guys can know exactly what you can use to clean your lights with, to sanitize it inside and out. Definitely stick to alcohol. Do not use acetone. It is going to mess up the material on the inside. You guys see that? Like, it's not horrible, but it just started to probably take a little bit of that material off, and the lint-free pad did imprint on it. So be careful. Do not make that mistake. Do not use acetone. So that is it for this video. I think I told you guys every single thing that I discovered and that you need to know about the Holi 48-watt UV LED nail lamp by Madam Glam. If you are interested in purchasing it, I would have the link in my description box below, as well as my 30% off coupon code. If this review was helpful and informative, please give it a big thumbs up and light up the comment section with multicolored emojis inspired by this beautiful nail lamp. And don't forget, if you're not yet subscribed, to click on that subscribe button, and I'll appreciate it very much if you turn your post notifications on. So that is it, guys. I am out. Remember to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.